Where are they? Where are they?
Nairobi.
Oh, they're based in Nairobi. Okay. But you don't have their contacts, eh?
No, yeah. Okay.
So, now, this is Pejiama Dairy, Kambakia farm. One of our partners in ProSoya Kenya Limited with Dairy Soy. The best dairy mill so far in the country. And we have the owner, Mr. Philip, here, who will tell us how he feeds his cows. And Mr. Philip, maybe you can tell us how you feed your cows.
Yeah, thank you very much. We feed our milking cows with the ProSoya feed, whereby we give varying the production. Best producers take about 12 kg per day, those which are doing over 30 liters, and those which are doing less than 30 kilos, between 22 and 30 kilos, they take around 9 kg per day. Yes.
And has it been of any help to your farm?
Definitely, it's a wonderful feed. The cows first, they enjoy it, they like it, and they really assist in production. Since we started giving ProSoya, we have seen a big increase in milk production.
That's good.
Yes.
And you have managed to get yourself a trophy, which is good. Congratulations.
Thank you, thank you.
What was it for?
This one for having produced the highest milk producer in the recent Meru Dairy trade fair, and we merged the top winner with the highest producer of 40 liters a day.
Wow, that is good.
Yeah, from this was awarded by the Meru Dairy Union, where we deliver our milk. Yes.
What can you advise other dairy farmers?
In fact, one I would call upon other dairy farmers actually to look at the ProSoya feed. It's a wonderful feed, and a feed which has the instant results. One, it's a quality feed, and at the same time, the prices are very friendly. Yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Philip, and congratulations. We can see you have, we can call it a small piece of land.
Sure.
Many farmers give themselves excuses of not having enough land.
Yes.
What can you tell them?
In fact, all this revolves about planning. You plan on what you have, and you build it from there. This one is slightly less than an acre, or rather it's 3/4 of an acre, and we are keeping 20 quality dairy animals.
Wow.
So really the excuse of land should not be there, because if you look at the space occupied by these units, it's very small. So we really should consult professionals so that they advise on how to utilize the land. Because if you look at this small portion of ours, it has a garden like this one, which is ratified where the cows are. But because of planning, we are able to preserve a place even for resting.
That is true.
Yes.
Now, many farmers would like to learn much more from you. Can you give them maybe directions or contact on how they can reach you?
Sure. One Pejiama Dairy. This is Pejiama Dairy. Is located in Meru County and within Meru Town. From Meru Town Center, this is exactly 5 kilometers if you drive. Where 5 kilometers will head is where Pejiama Dairy Farm is. So for those people who may be intending or intend to come to Pejiama Dairy, just take a direct taxi from Meru Town all the way past Makutano, past Meru Technical. Then after Meru Technical, there is a fast turning on your right, and from there just drive straight to Kambakia Methodist Church. Just opposite is where Pejiama Dairy is located. So for those who are outside Meru, Pejiama is within Meru County and the main constituency of a municipality ward.
Would you mind giving them any contact number?
Yes, if you wish to contact Pejiama Dairies, you call us on telephone 0729 851 224 or 0721 519 591.
Thank you very much. Thank you for listening to us, and thank you for partnering with us. Thank you for using dairy soy.
It's my pleasure.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Four.
Mm.